Hey there, amigos. Buckle up, because we're about to plunge headfirst into the dynamic realm of Passive Income System 2.0. I'm your trusty guide on this exhilarating expedition, poised to unveil whether this captivating contender holds the key to authentic residual income, or merely presents another alluring digital mirage. Imagine stumbling upon Passive Income System 2.0, a virtual treasure map leading to the elusive El Dorado of online marketing. As a seasoned digital maverick, with over a decade of triumphant digital marketing exploits, I invite you to grasp your chimichangas tightly as we embark on an enthralling narrative, peeling back the layers of what this marvel, Passive Income System 2.0, truly entails. First and foremost, let's address the elephant in the room. We're not toying with pocket change here. This high-ticket trailblazer commands a price tag of $997. Yet, before you press the brakes, allow me to illuminate the silver lining. Should you choose to embark on the affiliate odyssey, prepare to revel in a bountiful 50% commission on every triumphant sale you orchestrate. Cha-ching, my friends, indeed. Now, let us venture into the heart of the matter. Within the exclusive domain of the Members Enclave, a kaleidoscope of internet marketing wonders beckons, encompassing a comprehensive A to Z training regimen, expert coaching courses, and an assortment of enhancements that rival a dazzling fireworks spectacle. On Independence Day, the opportunities abound. Contemplate this dash. You're bestowed with the ultimate playbook, a blueprint that unravels the art of orchestrating the shower of internet earnings. From harnessing the power of video marketing to executing the finesse of launch jacking, the keys to the kingdom are yours to wield. However, here's the thrilling twist. This isn't a mere training manual. You're boarding a rocket ship of opportunity, replete with reseller rights, intricately designed sales funnels, and an array of opulent bonuses that could leave your head spinning in awe. But, my friends, the saga doesn't end here. Brace yourselves for the grand unveiling of the pièce de resistance. Complimentary clicks directed to your very own squeeze page, and meticulously crafted sales funnels. Yes, you heard it right. Gratis clicks. It's akin to being handed a delectable slice of the digital pie, even before you've had a chance to roll up your sleeves. Yet, the intrigue deepens. Prepare to be astounded as the offer extends to encompass meticulously curated done-for-you systems and launch jumpstarts. Imagine having an exclusive pit crew, primed and ready to propel you towards digital victory. And that's not all. Imagine possessing the coveted license rights, granting you the authority to champion other illustrious offerings by the maestro himself, Glynn Koski. This isn't merely a ride. It's an exhilarating journey along the express route to Commission City. Now, hold on to your avocados, for the narrative takes a twist worthy of a cinematic masterpiece. Our maestro extraordinaire, Glynn Koski, unfurls a masterstroke from his reservoir of genius. A link rotator straight from the crucible of brilliance. Picture this, a link rotator transmitting authentic clicks, sourced from Glynn's own email kingdom, surging through these meticulously crafted sales funnels. Behold, a digital Sherpa, guiding you through the ascent of the peak named prosperity. However, the chronicle doesn't cease with this revelation. Armed with finesse and a dash of digital wizardry, they alchemize these leads into veritable gold. Step 1. Seize your complimentary treasure. A tantalizing system that could induce a symphony of cravings. Step 2. Brace yourself for the extravaganza. A webinar sales gala, poised to redefine your understanding of online potential. Prepare to immerse yourself in the awe-inspiring spectacle that is Passive Income System 2.0, replete with its high-ticket grandeur. After all, who said dreams can't metamorphose into monetizable realities? And there you have it, my esteemed digital comrades. Passive Income System 2.0, a venture akin to strapping a turbocharged jetpack to your digital journey. If you're poised to ride the crest of the digital wave, hoist your digital surfboard and heed the clarion call of the link below and learn more as the sun sets on this epic odyssey. Remember, stay authentic, stay shrewd, and allow the symphony of internet earnings to crescendo into a symphony of triumph. Until we rendezvous again, may your path remain legendary.